Welcome to How to Live in Japan channel. This time, I will tell you how to get high quality steaks, 4 kilograms of meat, rice, travel tickets, computers, and many more for 2,000 yen. It's definitely a great deal, so please take a look to the end. I will explain about Furusato納税. It means hometown tax payment system. When you work in Japan, your company deducts taxes from your salary and pays them to your municipality on your behalf. In Furusato納税, you can change this tax payment destination to your favorite municipality. The municipality that you paid the tax will send you a thank you gift according to the amount. This thank you gift is valued up to 30% of the amount and is determined by law. Money spent on Furusato納税will be deducted from the tax for the following year. In other words, this system pays taxes in advance. But don't get me wrong, as this system doesn't make your taxes cheaper. Also, suppose you get a thank you gift of 10,000 yen. Of this amount, 2,000 yen will be borne by you. So the tax deducted to the following year will be 8,000 yen. Your contribution is 2,000 yen in total, no matter how many and how much you order. There are 4 steps in how to use Furusato納税. First, find out your maximum amount of money. There is a limit to the amount of money you can spend with your Furusato納税. The amount varies from person to person and is calculated based on the person's annual income, civil status, mortgage, dependents, life insurance, and many more. This is a simple simulator that can calculate the amount of money payment. You can calculate the amount of money you can use to pay Furusato納税with your information. However, if you are a sole proprietor, a freelancer, or have several tax deductions, the calculation method will be complicated, so it's better to consult an expert such as an accountant. For the time being, there are websites where detailed calculations can be made, so I will put a link in the description box. Also, I have uploaded another video about how to use this site, so please have a look if you like. Second, decide the portal site. Select a site to order thank you gift. There are many sites, but this time I will introduce 3 major sites. First, the Furusato Choice. With an overwhelming number of items, it boasts the largest number of items in return with more than 240,000 items. Some local governments are registered only on this site, so some are only available on this site. Satofuru. There are more than 127,000 items here as well, which is large enough. There are many payment methods and it is said that they arrive quickly. Rakuten Furusato納税, the most recommended site on the internet. The reason is the return with Rakuten points. There is a system called Rakuten SPU, and if you use it well, you can get a lot of points, so it is very profitable. One person paid 45,000 yen and got 19% of 8,500 points. However, for those who find it a little difficult and troublesome to clear the conditions, I think it is better to use the other 2 sites. Third, choose thank you gifts and pay. After selecting the portal site, actually select the reward item. You will receive thank you gift. If you ask for it during busiest times such as December, it may take up to 3 months for the gift to arrive. When you receive the gift, you will receive Kifukin Juryo Shoumeisho enclosed or by a separate mail. Please note that this certificate is a certificate of Furusato納税payment, so if you lose it, the tax for the next year will not be deducted. Please take a look at the video of how to buy the gifts. And fourth, file a tax return, kakutei shinkoku. You must report in your tax return that you have used for Furusato納税. A tax return is a procedure for calculating and reporting taxes for 1 year. You must attach a proof of purchase receipt for this procedure. If you applied for the thank you gift from January 1st, 2020 to December 31st of 2020, then the declaration period will be from February 16, 2021 to March 15, 2021. The procedure is simple, so don't worry and try Furusato納税payment. That's all for this video. Furusato Nozei payment is one of the systems that you should definitely do if you live in Japan. So please try it. If anyone has tried it, please let me know in the comment section below.